Swift is the center of the honeycomb. Whether you are an energy company or in aviation, or you are in manufacturing, doing large scale manufacturing in pharmaceutical or in plastics or any industrial manufacturing organization, or even device manufacturing, whether you are in financial services industries, insurance, whether you are in transportation, shipping, logistics, or whether you are in FMCG, you have to have process optimization and automation. If not today, if you wanted to remain successful for the upcoming advent of the technological revolution which is coming, which is AI. So as you will see, the business process automation, as we have been talking for decades, has now moved into business process optimization using artificial intelligence. And that's the power that comes through Swift's eFlux. So with the power of no code plus AI, Swift provides organization the capability to augment the value of their SAP investments. They don't have to spend too much time and effort to build a portal for onboarding their business partners, because of course, supply chain starts with onboarding reliable business partners, as I just mentioned.